A week or so ago, I had a heart attack. Actually, it was Sunday, January the 9th. But let me tell you briefly what my symptoms were, so you can be on the lookout as well. Um, Over the Christmas holidays, I had awakened with a shoulder pain. I should have I should have gone to the doctor then, but I didn't. What happened was I just assumed that I had slept on it, what we say here in the South, cattywampusly, so to speak. But it was a unique pain. It wasn't like a sharp pain. It was just like oh, well, it was sharp, but it was dull. I don't know. I'm contradicting myself there, but it was noticeable. Let me say that. It was noticeable. So I just assumed that I had strained it or just slept on it crazy. But it went away. And if I had strained it, it would have been sore and it would have gradually gone away, but it did go away. So again, didn't think too much of it. Even this summer, let me tell you what was happening. I was driving up to a workshop in Tennessee, and I noticed a tingling sensation at the lower extremities of my arms and fingertips. Again, I should have noticed then, I should have noted that and gone to the doctor, but I did not, because that too also went away. And then with the episode I had again right before Christmas with the pain in my shoulder, but it really came to a head after I had gone to Louisiana on January the 6th of this year, 2011. And coming back on January the 7th, I was scheduled to meet some friends for dinner at a German restaurant, but it was a feeling that I had like I did not necessarily want to go out for dinner that evening because I wasn't necessarily tired of driving, but I just didn't feel right. Cannot explain exactly how I felt, but I felt sort of tired, but not tired in the sense that I was exhausted through physical labor, so to speak, just a weariness type of tired. But anyway, I decided to go home and not to go to the German restaurant with friends. Saturday morning, a friend and I went shopping at a few places to pick up some stuff, and I just still did not feel right that day. Sunday morning, now this is January the 9th, I had awakened, done the daily routine. We were expecting a winter storm, so I was pulling all my batteries from the closet, making sure that they were charged up and so forth. And I was beginning to be stressed out with one particular battery because it just gave this alert that it was not charging, the battery wasn't charging. And for some reason that was really stressing me out. Then the pain in my shoulder was prevalent again, and I started to have like a pressure on my breastbone, and I knew then that these were symptoms of possibly a heart attack, but I'm still blocking it out. And momentarily after the pain in my upper rib cage or the chest bone started, I started to feel clammy. And that was the time that I knew I was having a heart attack. So I was able to grab the phone, call 911, call a friend to alert him to come over to help me to make sure the dog was out of the way and so forth. And I was beginning to lose consciousness too. Well, I wouldn't say I was losing consciousness, but I was really having difficulty breathing. It was very laborious, labor-intense breathing, I'll say that. But anyway, the great emergency medical team came to rescue me, so to speak, rolled me down, rushed me to the hospital, which wasn't too far, and they were waiting for me in the emergency room, and they were able to fix me up with the stent, and I'm doing okay. But it will take me a couple of weeks to ease back into my job, and then just take it easy with my doctor's advice as to when I can go really full time. But anyway, just wanted to give you an update what was happening here at Huntsville at AI4QT's Ham Radio Shack, and I hope to be making some better videos in the future. But anyway, stay tuned, and I'll talk to you later. 73.